outstanding, comma, very good, comma, good, comma, average, and poor, and submits that those who will secure 15 to 19 marks will be considered to be very good category persons. Next para. After hearing learned counsel, आप किसके लिए हैं आकाश चौधरी साहब?
For the intervener who has secured 19 marks, I'm above the.
अरे तो आपके लिए तो कुछ है ही नहीं कॉज ऑफ एक्शन, आप जबरदस्ती उसका पैसा बर्बाद करा रहे हैं।
DPC स्टे
अरे ठीक है,
DPC स्टे कर रखी थी हमारा तो
आपको तो बहुत पहले आ जाना चाहिए था। डीपीसी
आगे तो it was heard by lot.
डीपीसी तो कहीं स्टे होती ही नहीं, कहीं प्रावधान ही नहीं है डीपीसी स्टे करने का।
DPC स्टे कर रखी और cause of action.
ठीक है चलिए, क्यों कहलवाते हैं हमसे
मैंने भी विकेट लगाई थी सर, एक बार सुनवाई हुई गई।
आप लोग, लेकिन असरदार तरीके से नहीं करते। आज तो हमने इनको घेर के सुनवाई कर ली, आज फिर बढ़ जाता है समर वेकेशन के बाद।
असरदार तरीके से सुनवाई।
नहीं नहीं
सब जगह नहीं सुनवाई।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोलिए, ऐसा मत बोलिए प्लीज। हाँ क्या हुआ? श्री आकाश चौधरी साहब को भी डाल दो, इनकी भी प्रेजेंस जस्टिफाई हो जाएगी। क्या आप एंगेज करके लाए हो इनको? अच्छा अच्छा, इनका अंकित अग्रवाल फॉर द स्टेट, श्री आकाश चौधरी फॉर रिस्पॉन्ड इंटरवीनर, ठीक है ना। नेक्स्ट पैरा, श्री आकाश चौधरी सबमिट्स दैट intervener's grievances that despite the fact that he is more meritorious and senior to the petitioner, even his recommendation is in limbo because of unauthorized stay operating in the matter. Next, after hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, it is evident from the original file produced by Shri Ritvik Parashar that DPC had prescribed benchmark of 13 marks minimum for promotion from the post of executive engineer to the superintending engineer. Besides this, it adopted a criteria that for last 2 years, ACR should not be of average or poor category. Full stop. When, next para, when examined from this aspect and also the law laid down by Supreme Court in Devdutt Supra, then it is evident that Shri Praveen Dubey has relatively eased the task of this court by reproducing the ACRs of the petitioner.
रिकॉर्ड लगाया है।
हाँ ठीक है, आपने भी तो लगाया है ACRs in his return, which reveals that petitioner was graded as good in the year 2012-13, comma, very good in the year 2013-14, thereafter good in the year 2014-15, comma, 15-16 and 16-17, full stop. Thus he had secured 11 marks, full stop. When ratio of, next para, when ratio of Devdutt is applied, then once petitioner was downgraded from very good for the year 2013-14 to good in graded from very good in the year 2013-14 to good in the year 2014-15, then that ACR should have been communicated to the petitioner. Even subsequent ACRs for the year 2015-16 and 16-17 should have been communicated, as they would have had adverse impact on the promotion of the petitioner. Full stop. Admittedly, these ACRs were not communicated and therefore they could not have been acted upon. Thus, DPC recommendations in qua the private respondent Shri KK Shrivastava cannot be given a seal of approval. Full stop. Next para. To mitigate the hardship, it is directed that respondents, if so desire, may proceed with the promotion of the senior most candidate Shri Ajay Kumar Sharma, in regard to whom there is no controversy and who is unnecessarily being made a victim of stay granted on the totality of DPC proceedings instead of granting selective stay in as against the private respondent who was junior to the petitioner. Full stop. As far as petitioner and the private respondents are concerned, after giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and an opportunity to make representation against the adverse ACRs and deciding the same within a time-bound frame of 3 months, say 3 months from the date of communication of the order, review DPC be convened and appropriate steps be taken to grant promotion to a suitable candidate on the reference date of the earlier DPC. In above terms, petition is allowed and disposed of.
I have a petitioner super